G'day and happy Cocktail Fridays. As always, I'm your host Troy. Today we are making a Mr. T.
You can become the best that you can be, and that's a promise from me, Mr. T.
This recipe calls for scotch, vermouth rosso, Benedictine, bitters, and some coffee beans. Into a shaker, add 45 ml of scotch, 30 ml of vermouth rosso, 15 ml of Benedictine, a few dashes of bitters, and your coffee beans. Add ice and shake. Add some ice into your glass. Garnish with some orange peel. And you're done. Tell us what you would do to improve this recipe. See you next time.